You are a villain. Or maybe you were hired by a villain. Either way, you have been tasked with designing the perfect trap for your arch-nemesis. Not to say you haven't tried, though. Every attempt so far has ended in failure, which means that this time, you are going to try something new, something exciting, called design thinking. Design thinking is a way to solve problems by understanding people, coming up with creative ideas, and testing them out to make them even better. It's like being a detective, an inventor, and a fixer, all at the same time. The cool thing about this process is that it doesn't always go in a straight line. Sometimes things don't work out, and you have to go back and try again at different stages of the process. And so, evil villain, since you already know who you're designing for, in this part of the video, you are going to be creating what is called a user profile. Who's using the trap? Why, your arch-nemesis, of course. And in order to have them fall perfectly into your plan, you need to find out a little bit about them. Like, who are they? What are their strengths? Better yet, what are their weaknesses? And what does your nemesis love most? The more you can find out and discover about your arch-nemesis, the better design you can create. So take some time, pause the video, and jot down some ideas. Now that you know everything there is to know about your arch-nemesis, it's time to ideate. That is, brainstorm a whole bunch of ideas. What kind of trap would trick them perfectly? Our first idea isn't always the best one. So to generate a whole bunch of ideas, today we are going to play a game called Crazy 8s. Divide a piece of paper into 8 sections. Then set a timer, using drawings and as few words as possible. Start sketching an idea in the first box on your page. When the timer runs out, stop drawing immediately and move over to the next box with a new idea. Now, this can be really frustrating. You might start running out of ideas, but I urge you to keep going, keep trying. Even if you feel like they're bad, try to fill every single box with an idea of a trap for your arch-nemesis. Once you have 8 ideas, it is time for my favorite part, which means that you are going to choose one of these ideas to prototype or build. Gather all kinds of materials. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. After your prototype is finished, it's time to test it out. And don't worry, sometimes you're gonna miss something along the way and it's not gonna work. That's okay. Head back to an earlier part in this process. Look again at your user profile. Look again at your ideas. Generate some new ones, build a new prototype, or make small changes to the one that you already have. Now go forth, brilliant villain. May your traps be tricky, your plans be sticky, and your nemesis completely baffled.